Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 19, 2022. 3-star Sudoku. Column E, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, 6th row and 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 4. 6th grid also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 3. Column G also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come here with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 5. Second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come here with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, and 9th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B and third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, second row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fourth row, we can confirm 8 also here. Column D, we have 1 and 6. So only 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 9th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 3rd grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 3rd row, we have 1. So it can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 1. So it can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 1st grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.